welcome back to part two of forecasting the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. This is the second part of a three-part series. First video will be found in the link description. So if you haven't watched that already, I advise you to have a look at that. If you're new to this channel, welcome to this channel. Please feel free to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up also. I'm not going to make this long. I'm going to jump straight into it. So I'm going to change my line graph to a candlestick graph and also just highlight my annotations. Cool. So here we are. Market's live at the moment. So all the prices that you see on the chart are live. The previous video was recorded on Sunday, so the market was closed when I recorded it, but now we are in a live trading session at the moment, and I'm just gonna drop down into the hourly chart. Here we are in the hourly chart. So really just a very quick update from myself. I did highlight in the previous video that I would, update midweek. I would put a video out there during the midweek just to give an update as to how prices behaved in relation to my forecast. So this video is really just to provide that overview of what price has done and what I expect price to do over the next week or so. So I'm going to go straight into the Monday session. I'm going to take my tool here. So on Sunday, when I was making the first video, I was just saying that what my outlook would be for this week on this particular instrument was that I would like to see price. So price was here. I'd like to see price trade down into the London session. So behave like this to give me a buying opportunity in the London session, so I can take a buy and hold for an anticipation that we're going to close above this key level here on Monday. So the good news is I did enter the trades around here because the conditions were perfect, and I held until here on the Tuesday in London. So price did not close above this key level. So I was very conscious of that. And when I was holding my trades, I was very aware of, if price struggles on Tuesday to break through and start to attack this area here, which I've deemed as a pool of liquidity, okay? Pool of liquidity resting here and a pool of liquidity resting here. And I was expecting on Monday for price to break through, take this liquidity and hold above this key level on a high time frame. So we're currently on the 1 hour time frame. And unfortunately, it's failed to do that. We can see every hour candle, it hasn't closed above. Not one has closed above, even going into Tuesday, into the Asian session. And then on Tuesday, we didn't get any traction. We just got a sideways consolidation from New York to Asia. Price breaks down in London. There's no momentum here on the candlesticks. It's very bearish. So consolidation and a break of consolidation here. I exited my trade somewhere in this. I was in down here, but I didn't want to hold because I thought, look, it's given me one condition here, but it hasn't given me the second condition, which is I need to see price trade above either on Monday or Tuesday. That did not happen. So I was like, right, let me get out of my trades and let me just analyze the market and see what price is trying to show me now. One thing to highlight is that a forecast is a forecast. It's not prediction. We're not predicting the future. We're just giving an idea of what we would like to see in the market within price action, so that as a trader, we can capitalize on the movements in the market that are favorable and that give us that really good risk to reward, 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 4 risk to reward. But on Tuesday, we didn't get that. We have further consolidation here in the New York session. We get into Wednesday, Asia, more consolidation, more sideways trading. So it trades to the side here, trades down into London, trades up. We don't take out this liquidity yet. So in London, we don't take out that liquidity. So that's stocks that are resting above there. Price trades down again, and then we get this breakthrough like mid afternoon in the New York session. We get this breakthrough here, big engulfing candle here, big momentum candle, another big momentum candle. This time we take out the liquidity, and at that point on Wednesday, I thought, okay, maybe we've still got a chance here to begin to start to trade with some volume, with some momentum up into this key level. Maybe by Thursday, Friday, we're going to be, trading higher. So attacking this liquidity here, this line here, this this level here, but from here, from Thursday, Friday. And unfortunately, as I said, prices are live now. This is real market prices that are on my screen. If they're moving, which I think, yeah, they are moving. Oh, yeah, it is moving. I'm just going to take this off. There we go, that's off. So that hasn't happened. So what has happened is the bearish market structure that has already been controlling the direction of the market is held. And we still haven't had any real type of push up, for since last week, really. We're still down. Prices are still down. We've had weakness in the US dollar as well. So that also offsets weakness in this currency pair, because it's US dollar dominant. And what are my expectations moving forward? Well, number one, there's going to be a part 3 to this video, because I'm still waiting now for price to trade up and to begin to attack. Let's take this out again. For price to begin to attack these key levels. One here, and then this orange line here, this key level as well, like it says here, key level. So I think what I will say at this point is that I just have to let price do what it needs to do at the moment, okay? It's not even holding at this key level, so it's very bearish market structure. And I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for the price to find some level of support in and around this key level. Price might be very bearish and continue to drop all the way down to this key level. So it's very bearish, and I just have to be patient and just to wait to see what the next move is in this particular instrument. So I will upload a part 3, and we'll see how the market closes on Friday, which is tomorrow. And I will look to upload a part 3 at some point to these videos, this video series. So I've done part 1. This is part 2. Part 3 will be coming soon. And then just an update on this channel. What I would like to do is over the weekend is have a look at some other currency pairs as well that I'm looking at. Potentially break those down as well and create a new video for some other currency pairs that I'm looking at. And again, forecasting where I think price is going to be. So really that's all from me, just as a quick intra-week update on how price has behaved from my initial forecast on Sunday. So no, price did not close above this key level. It hasn't attacked this liquidity here or here. And I was expecting price to hold above this key level and start trading into these areas here and then up into this key level. I did say if price doesn't close above this key level, either Monday or Tuesday, they're the conditions that I was looking for. Those conditions haven't been met, so I exited my trade, like I said, around here. I got in around here, nice entry. It would have been a great risk to reward, but unfortunately, price has just tanked. I didn't expect that. I expected price to trade higher, but that's what forecasting is. It's about providing your analysis and then just waiting for those conditions to form in the marketplace. As long as you're using proper risk management and you understand what you're looking for, you know what you're looking for, 9 times out of 10, you're going to be very successful. And I've done that. I've exited my trades. I've sat back and I said, okay, I'll wait and see what happens. And as it stands, the markets just continue to sell off and to trade bearishly. So I just need to be patient, just need to wait and wait for strength to come back into the market for potential buyers. So part 3 hopefully will be when that time arrives, I will then release part 3 and begin to show my entry points, where I've got into the trades, the conditions I was looking for, and it kind of completes the series after that. So if you like this video, like I said at the beginning, please feel free to like and to subscribe. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave me any comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And there's going to be more videos released on this channel, Anglo-Sax. It's going to be great for me to share my ideas, to share my knowledge, my understanding of macroeconomics, and really just provide much more depth and insight, and just to be able to take you guys behind the curtain as to how I analyze the price action, what I'm looking for, and how to be successful in trading these currency pairs. Not just currency pairs as well, there's also commodities that I look at as well. And in due course, it's going to be quite exciting for me just to start revealing just much more about the financial markets. And I always like to use the phrase of, just to take you behind the screen, to take you behind the curtain, and maybe to show you things that you haven't quite seen before. Superb. Okay, that's all from me, guys. Like I said, I'll probably do a new video at the weekend on another currency pair, or maybe a commodities, and then in due course there will be another video that follows on from this video to complete the series. So 1, 2, 3, so 3 videos. And yeah, any questions, any thoughts, just please drop them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Ciao.